This is how we disassemble a Model 320. First we take all the oil out of the motorized pulley, as you can see. We drain the oil, then we put the oil drain holes at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position, as you can see here. Then we'll put the slide hammer into each hole. So here's Michael. We're going to select one of the slide hammer pairs from our set.
All I was doing there was
by lifting gently upwards, we're releasing pressure off of a snap ring on the shaft on the other side. Next, we'll remove the bearing cover from the terminal box side so that we can remove the snap ring. Once the snap ring is taken off, then the drivetrain can be removed from the pulley.
Loctite's got them well.
This is a good picture to see why you need more space. I got me building a new one here.
Now Michael's removing the snap ring from the shaft. Now the drivetrain can be pulled out.
Down on the box there.